sore muscles lingering long after every intense training session. Sleepless nights disrupt recovery and reduce next-day performance. Plateaus in strength and muscle growth despite consistent training. Waking up still fatigued, energy stays low all day. Frequent colds and slow immune recovery after heavy workouts. Muscle cramps and restless nights from electrolyte and mineral imbalance. Supplements with poor absorption feel ineffective and waste money. Unclear dosing and messy routines interrupt consistent nightly supplementation. Many formulas lack clinically supported dosages for real results. Busy schedules make recovery strategies hard to implement reliably. ZMA combines zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B6 for targeted support. Magnesium aspartate enhances absorption to reach muscles faster overnight. Clinically dosed formulas ensure you get meaningful research-backed amounts. Nighttime ZMA blends promote deeper, more restorative sleep naturally. Improved sleep supports hormonal balance and optimizes recovery pathways. Zinc supports immune health, reducing sickness during intense training. Vitamin B6 helps with amino acid metabolism and hormonal function. Vegetarian and high-absorption options cater to dietary preferences and needs. Multiple capsule counts give flexible serving schedules for women and men. Compact bottles and clear labeling simplify your nightly supplement routine. Faster post-workout recovery lets you train harder, more frequently. Deeper sleep accelerates muscle repair and growth overnight consistently. Enhanced strength gains emerge from better recovery and hormonal support. Stronger immunity means fewer missed sessions and steady progress. Simplified dosing keeps your routine consistent, removing guesswork nightly. High-quality ingredients give confidence in safety and reliable results. Suitable for athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts aiming improvement. Choose between strengths and servings to match your training demands. Nightly ZMA becomes a simple key habit for long-term gains. Start today to wake stronger, recover faster, and perform better. Click the link in the description to find out more.